Would you like to know another little cheat? How to save some time? So in here I've stripped off all the old wallpaper. So I've peeled off the front first of all. It's that paper up there that you can see above the doorway that's got a little, I don't know, a little sugar bowl and some fruit and things. Peel off the front first because it's quite plasticky, and then you're left with just the backing paper, which you can see various bits of backing paper like here and up here, like all that white paper. It looks like lining paper. That's what's behind it. So over here I've started to steam it off using my cheapo steamer from Wix. That was about £25. Bargain. So I'm scraping off the backing paper. You just get a little steamer thing, stick it on the wall like that, and it goes psh, put some steam. I won't do it because it makes too much noise and it'll drown me out. But the other thing, my little cheat, my little time-saving cheat, where all the tiles were here, all this horrible adhesive stuff is a nightmare to get off. You'll be scraping like this, scraping away, trying to get it off. And it's a nightmare. But what I do, I just heat it up a little bit with this. Woohoo! Put that on there, give it a little steam, make it nice and soft, and it comes off like a dream. Oh yeah, that's going to save me so much time. Because what you might do, you might think you're going to scrape all that off, and look how much there is. It's around here, and it's all around here, and here, and here. And a lot of that will be behind cabinets, so I'll probably just leave it there to save even more time. But some bits like here are going to be visible, so that definitely needs to be scraped off. So to try and do that without steaming it first, that is really labour intensive and hard work. So give it a little steam, soften it, and it scrapes off in about, gosh, probably about 50 times quicker. So that's my little time saving tip for today. Use a steamer.